Again, amigos, today we will be unboxing the Jakks Pacific 4-inch Knuckles, Sonic, and Tails figures. Yes. Oh no, there's tape. Okay, yeah, I already took the tape off. Yeah. Yeah. As I was saying, let's just something's different. Nah, I'm just kidding. You already know it's the box. Just take another thing off the background. Now it's just done. So, don't. Tails. Yeah, I'll just turn it around. Already got this. Come on. I'll be right back. Boys and probably girls, we got Tails out. Woo! Let's take a review of Tails. Let me just fix him up a little. He has knee joints. Yeah, pretty cute face. Look at his tails. Look how big they are. And we got Tails and his stupid little face. Alright, we'll be right back again. Done. Let's get Sonic down, guys. How hard are they in here? Ow! Tails, you just landed on a buzz bomber that's literally almost not your size. I just did the figure collection yesterday and I already got 3 new figures. I should have just waited. I got 3 new figures. 3 new figures right after I did it. We got Sonic, Tails, and Buzz Bomb. I'll get Knuckles in the background while you guys can just watch Sonic and Tails. You can pause if you want. I don't know why. Time to get his first Knuckles out. Alright, get his first Knuckles out. Put the first Knuckles in. First Knuckles out, now time to put the second Knuckles. They put his first Knuckles in, but I took it out. Come on, Knuckles, your friends are already out. Knuckles, we have cookies. Cookies! Jesus Christ, Knuckles, I tried to lie so we can get out faster. I don't even know what happened back here. Look at Sonic's spikes. He only has 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Tails, he actually looks kind of the same. It's just Sonic looks this all distraught. How is this able to fit him? Why are you attacking me? No cookies. Let's test out everybody's knee joints. Knuckles. His foot can move, right? His foot can move without his knee moving, barely. His knee joints work good. His arms move good. Can his head move? Yep. That's the only way he can go, so that's why he's moving his head. Let's test out Sonic's head. Perfect. Let's see. His hands can move. Wait, I forgot to test if Knuckles' hands can move. Let's test out his feet too. Let's test. Alright, we're done with Knuckles. Let's go back to Sonic. Knee joints? Perfect. Perfect. His whole knee moved. Stop moving! Alright, I just tested the knee. I just tested the foot off camera, and it's good. I'm just testing to make sure they fully work. Let's see if his arms move good. Let's try this one. Yep. Do his whole legs move good? Yep. I forgot to check Knuckles a full leg. Alright, let's. Yep. They work. Yay. Now time for Tails. Ah! Well, Tails has an extra thing to check. His tails. Spinning my tails. Dun 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 dun. Wait a minute. This looks weird. Yeah. Why is it? Why? His head can move around. His tails can move around. What does the fox? Tails, why'd you hit my camera? That song freaking sucks. His arms move good. His legs fully move good. Same with his knee joints. Let me try. I can't move his knee joints. Let's just test his shoes on. I can't Let me test off camera again. The shoe's good. The other foot's good too. Now time for the hands. I don't think the hands will be that bad. Nope. Stop! The hand moves good. Now time for the knee joints. This is gonna be hard. The right one does good, or the left one. This one moves good. No, it's time for the other one. This one moves good too. So yeah, happy. This guy's actually pretty big. He's like almost the size of my freaking hand. This guy's 4 inches. I think my hand's about like 5 or 6. I don't even know. Man, 10 out of 10. 5, 0. Nah, just kidding. You're all 10 out of 10. No, don't push. There you have it, folks. Sonic, Tails, and his little stupid friend Knuckles. Knuckles.